Come test drive 2021 Toyota CHR. The Toyota CHR's fresh design makes it stand out in the crowd, and the interior oozes with style. The CHR handles like a race car and has all the safety features you'd expect from a Toyota vehicle. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power liftgate, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, trip computer, panic alarm, tachometer, remote keyless entry, brake assist, front bucket seats, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps, cloth seats, rear window wiper. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.